we're gonna be trying NoBS or NoBS toothpaste right from a fresh packet. Test it out right on this live stream because you know what? Why not, right? There's a lot of questions going around in regards to this product, so let's dive right into this. Now, this is a fluoride-free formula, but in replacement of that fluoride-free formula, you have what's called Nano-Hydroxyapatite. So this is what we've got going on in here. We got a little sticker, that's nice. And I'm pretty sure that I just got the 30-day packet. So I should say jar, because they all come in a glass plastic-free jar that's TSA approved. So you can fly on the airplane with this, no problem. And like I said, it's plastic free. So here we have NoBS, cute little jar, and it's airtight too, so it keeps the freshness. So we've got the seal going on. Let's see, what else? One thing about these is you don't have to deal with that messy tube. One of the things that I've noticed with tube toothpaste is once you start to get to the bottom of the tube, it's not as active anymore. Like those ingredients start to separate per se, and it's just not as like good for your teeth. Like you're not getting everything, or maybe like the tube starts to lose its freshness. So let's go ahead and try these. The rule of thumb is you put one in your mouth, you chew, and then you brush your teeth with a toothbrush. There's xylitol in these, so that might be something important to point out. Xylitol is a natural sweetener, which also helps protect against cavities. Now, I will throw this out there to anyone that does have pets. Xylitol is not good for dogs. Not good, okay? Safe for humans, not good for dogs. There's no artificial sweeteners, which I like about this stuff. And it's safe for kids. So if you've got little ones at home, you guys can use these together. Maybe it would encourage brushing teeth with your little ones, something new, fun to try if they're not into the whole oral hygiene yet. So let's pop one in. These are mint flavor. 62 knobs. Okay, starting to foam up. I think what happens is it activates your salivatory glands. Let's get the toothbrush. My bad. Anyway, since it's made with all natural ingredients, I have no like fear about swallowing that. Typically I would be like, maybe I should spit it out. The mintiness. People are wanting to know about the mintiness. I would rank it pretty up there as far as how flavorful, how fresh my breath is right now. I would say it did a really good job. Like I said, it's organic mint that they use, so spot on for that. I really like that. I like mint toothpaste too. Don't throw me any of those other flavors. Is the foaming as good as what the review? I would say that it is. Like I said, I think that the mint, and here's another thing too. One of the ingredients is sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. Baking soda can sometimes activate the foamingness. Now, I have no problem with that being an ingredient. I actually really like the fact because baking soda can be used for so many different things in a safe manner. It's not even funny. In fact, my sister said that she uses it to clean her bathroom. So, FYI, sodium bicarbonate, thumbs up. And I think that's just about it. I mean, people wanted to know how many tablets are in here. This is a 62 tab jar. I think it's a win. I mean, if you're looking for a Nano-Hydroxyapatite to try, start here with NoBS.